I was sent this rolling cart and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything you're going to get sent to you. Nice thing about this is you can put this thing together by hand with very few tools. You've only got 2 screws that you need to put in at the very end, and they give you the wrench for that. But that's it. Everything else, you can just do it by hand. It's very simple. Let's put this together and see how it works. One thing to note, you're going to want to start from the top and work your way down. So as you look at the cart here, you need to start at the top because these handles, you'll see as I thread them together, these need to be connected first, and then you work your way all the way down to the wheels. So let's go ahead and put this together now. And here we go. In my garage, I'm using this rack on wheels to store some lube and some oil for my different pieces of equipment. You can put anything on this that you'd like, but down at the bottom here, it easily fits a 1-gallon jug. Fits right underneath there like this. You can set that down. And then I've got 3 racks here worth of storage that you can wheel around quite easily. And you've even got brakes on the back wheels here. That you can flip this little lever, and then that'll lock the wheel in place so it'll stop rolling to protect it from getting out of control for you. Got a nice handle here to hold it. It's all steel construction, easy to put together. Like I said, I only had to use the tool on 2 bolts right here and right here. Everything else was just turning it by hand to tighten up all those different rods. Like I said, when you're doing your install, start at the top and work your way down. I learned this the hard way. But overall, it's a very nice steel rack. It's cost effective, and it holds all kinds of different items. You could put cleaning supplies. You might put this in a pantry if you have lack of space and be able to wheel that out and just wheel it back in and close the door. All kinds of options. Hey, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.